cut up my sausage links. Basically, it looks like ground beef or something like that. Got my peppers, my potatoes, my sausages in grapeseed oil. Got Old Faithful quinoa. I'm going to stir fry it. And I have my baked chicken. Not cut my potatoes any particular way. Sometimes they're all different shapes: octagon, triangles, circles, squares, yeah, everything. Did I say rectangle? Now I've sliced this one. This was one big circle. Slice, slice, slice. Now I'm about to slice down the middle. I already started it, but I stopped the video just to show you what I'm about to do. You know, they're just going to be in different pieces. I got one more. Red potato. And y'all know I always tell y'all to season your food with whatever you want to season it with. I put some of everything in here, whatever in the cabinet. If there was some holy oil up there, I put it in there. But I think I did lemon pepper and black pepper. I cannot find my sea salt for the love of it. Y'all remember it wasn't a crab video when I cooked the seafood. It was another video. I just bought it and opened it, and it's literally disappeared. I don't know if the rod got to it and probably threw it in the trash or what. I have no idea. That's so weird. I only got the thick porcelain, but I used the rest of that in the quinoa. It was only like a dab left. And my pink Himalayan salt. I gotta take my top off to my grinder off because it got wet. I was trying to rinse the top off and the water got into it. Yeah, damn near. So once these potatoes get damn near done, the quinoa that I boiled, just like you boil rice. I did 4 cups of quinoa, 8 cups of water. I am going to dump this over in there and basically like stir fry it. Kind of like you do fried rice. They loved it the last time. That's why I'm doing it again. But I'm adding like sausages. This was the sausage, you know, with the skin on it and everything. So when I started slicing it, of course, it kind of ground it up. It just mushed up. And I wanted it like that anyway. So, and I think I got this meat from a church one day. I think I uploaded that on Facebook. So y'all, when you saw it, it was my private Facebook page. A church, they were closing down their pantry. And they gave me a big box of food. And that's where these sausages come from, and all of these different colored peppers. These beautiful, colorful peppers. I don't want to turn this down just yet. I want these potatoes to cook. I actually should have put the potatoes in there with the sausages when I first put those in there. I probably put the potatoes first since those are going to take longer to cook. I wish I had a lid for this pot because that steam will get the job done. I need to stir my potatoes around so they won't be so dry. Get them down in this grapeseed oil and water. My old man made some barbecue chicken and sausages on the grill for Labor Day. That was the best barbecue chicken I ever tasted. I swear, oh Lord. It was so good. Quinoa in here, and it doesn't even matter if the quinoa wasn't done, even though I did boil it first, because remember it's going to go in another pot. So it's basically just going to be stir fried. I can't fit all of it in here, but I'm going to put as much as I can in here and then just stir it all up. About to stir it up and make much of a mess on the stove, and that's what I have left out of my quinoa. Alright, so that can go with another meal. And that's just pepper and seasoning on the top. right there. It normally like floats all the way up to the top anytime I try to season the quinoa. So, just gonna mix everything up here. And once the chicken's done, serve everybody their food. And probably add a little bit more grapeseed oil if it seems a little dry. I'm definitely gonna have to add some more. But the potatoes are done. I just taste half of one and kind of broke it like that with the spoon to see if it breaks in half. Just because it breaks in half, it could still be kind of raw. So make sure you know it's done for sure. Because I was adding them at different times, so that's why you see some look more done than others.